Aww.
Alright, you ready? We're going to sing to you. Hold on, Kate. I got it. We sing with you, Kate. Alright. Hold on just a second.
He wants that so bad.
Should we dim the lights or no?
I don't think it matters.
Okay. Alright. Ready? You want to hold her, Kate? Okay. Hold her where she can see it. Alright.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gracie. Happy birthday to you.
What's going on?
Alright. 1, 2. Ella, get up there with you. 3.
Anybody do it?
One. Yay!
Yay!
That's Gracie's birthday. Alright, Ella, get in a picture with Gracie and Kate real quick. In front of her crash cake, and then we'll give it to her, okay? Alright, girls. Smile for me. Ella.
Aww.